Hey guys, Full Send FPV here. Do you have Fat Shark goggles and your fan starts making noise? Well, I want to show you how to fix this guy. I know a lot of people run into it. What you need is a screwdriver to take that off, you need a good pair of tweezers to take the fan out, and you need some white lithium grease. This is the good stuff. Once you get your fan cover off, real carefully stick the tweezers down in between two of the fan blades. Be real careful because you don't want to bend them. This is a brushless motor, and then lightly pinch and pull up. And you can pull the motor up, and what you got to do is put a little bit of white lithium grease right on that pin. Now over time it does wear out, but put a little grease on it, put that guy back in there, put your cover on, and you're good to go. That's your full send tip for the day.